Hello, in this quick start guide I'm going to show you how to set up a vendor account on the online garden. The first thing you want to do is head on over to theonlinegarden.co.uk. Once you're there, click on the account section. If you're already logged in and want to turn your current account into a vendor account or use the same email as your current The Online Garden account, simply click on this button here and it will take you to the vendor registration page. If you are not currently logged into the Online Garden and don't currently have an account with the email that you would like to use, you will see this page here. Under the register section, simply click on the become a vendor button and it will take you to this page. Once you're on this page, simply enter your email and it will send you a verification code. While you wait for that email to come through, you can come up with a username. This is the name that your account will go under. So for this example, I'm going to call it house-tweets. The verification email should arrive quickly, but allow up to 5 minutes for it to arrive. Once it's arrived, simply type the number into the verification code box. If the email hasn't arrived within 5 minutes, and you have checked your spam box or junk folder, simply click on resend code and another code will be sent out to you. Now we need to come up with a store name. This will be the name that your products are listed under. For this example, we're going to use tweets. Then you simply want to come up with a password that is secure, agree to the terms and conditions, and fill in the reCAPTCHA. Once you've done that, simply click on register and it will take you through the store setup. We highly recommend you go through this setup wizard, but if you don't want to, there is a not right now button. You simply want to follow through all the steps of this wizard. If you have a store logo, upload that and upload a banner for your store page. You can fill in your store phone number, your store address. If your store doesn't have an address, or you're simply operating out of your home and only want to provide deliveries, you don't have to fill in the address section. You only have to fill in the country and county. If you do have an address, you can also type it in here and it will locate it on the map for you. Then fill in a shop description, so this can be what you specialize in or just the story behind your store. Next up, you need to set up payments. We do payments through Stripe. To set up the account, all you have to do is click on connect with Stripe, fill out all the information that Stripe requires, and once you've done that, it will take you back to the setup wizard and you can continue with the next section. If you would like to provide customer support outside of the inquiry tab, you can fill in a phone number, email, and an address if you would like people to come to you for help. Next up is store SEO. This is what helps search engines find your store. You simply want to fill in your store name. The meta description is the description that will show up underneath the link. This can just be a shortened version of your store description. And meta keywords is what you want your store to be found under. So if you want to be found under, for example, roses, you would fill meta keywords in with roses and separate each keyword with a comma, making sure each keyword relates to your store. To allow people to go to your social media via the Online Garden, simply put in the appropriate links under each section here. Once you've gone through all these steps, you'll be taken to this page and you can go straight to the dashboard. In the next quick start guide, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping, and thank you for choosing to sell on the Online Garden.